Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com. Thanks for stopping by. We're going to run through a bunch of charts here and give you some trade ideas and analysis. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page and you can start your 100% free 7-day trial today. All you need to do is enter in your name and your email address and you're going to get instant access. No payment information is required. We do a daily live market broadcast, member videos and watch lists and trade ideas to help you prepare for the day ahead. We've also got daily webinars. The education never stops at the Trading Analyst. It's a classroom environment in the chat room, on the videos, and in the webinars as well. And it's a great way to profit while you learn, because we're not only teaching you the ins and outs of technical analysis, but we're giving you profitable trade alerts for you to participate in as well. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you take advantage of it. All right, so let's get into these charts here. First, I'm going to look at Costco. Costco, we've got this downtrend line right here. We're coming up to a level of support. The break of about 146, and we're going to come down here and get this 144 support right there. If that breaks, we're going to come down here and we're going to get that 142 support as well. If you look at the overall chart, looks like we are eventually going to break these levels because it has that look. We're making a high here, a lower high here, and we made a low here, so we're going to make a lower low eventually. If it pops back up to here, that would be a good entry for that short against that downtrend line for Costco. Next, I want to look at VRX. VRX broke a major support line right here today. There was 26. That 26 level was a support, and we closed below it by $1, and we had some heavy volume on today as well. So it looks like VRX is going to be headed lower. You also look at it, and it's also a box here. The lower end of the box is 26. The upper end of the box is 37. So we've got high over here about 37, 37, and a bunch of candles over here where 37 was the high over there. So we're in a box here, and we not only are breaking below the support, but we're breaking outside of this box as well. So VRX is going to come down from here. Next, I want to cover Netflix. Netflix, as you can see here, we closed below support. We saw a little bit of buyers here at the lows, but still we closed below support. Here was the support about 88.30. And we closed at 87.75. So we've got a break below support, and we should be heading lower. I suspect we'll be hitting these lows down here at about $80 in the next week or so. Next, I want to cover Apple here. Apple, same kind of thing that we're seeing on these other charts, except this one's a little bit cleaner. We have a support break. As you can see, these were the lows over here on in the February lows where the market was bottoming out, and we broke below those lows. Here we are breaking below this support right there, and this is going to weigh heavily on the market. Apple is the highest weight of the S&P 500, and its market cap is going to be shrinking, and that's also going to weigh down the market as well. All right, next I want to cover COH. COH, we have a support break here. We have a bunch of candles where the lows hit this 38.60 level. I'm sorry, 38.30 level. Low right here, a few lows here. And then we broke below it on Wednesday's candle, and then again we closed below it on Thursday. Today's candle right here looks like COH is heading lower. We also have the volume pop as well, so it's breaking the support with heavy volume, and it looks like it's coming down from here. Next, I want to cover eBay. A break of this 2340 support would be not good for eBay. Likely would test these lows down here at about 22. We've got support at 22, and we'll draw that. And as you can see, the reason why this 2340 level is significant, because we've got the lows here, these lows, the open of this candle came and touched it and bounced. This candle, the open of this candle, the open of this candle as well. So this 2340 level, if this level breaks, we're going to head lower and get this 22 level support down there. Next, I want to cover Dallas, or I'm sorry, I'm taking a flight tomorrow, and that's the airline. So DAL, Delta Airlines, we've got some support at the 3980 level. As you can see, we got a bounce from it over here, and from here, as well as these lows right here. Likely gets a short-term bounce from this level, and if we break, if we close below this level rather, Dow is going to be heading much lower. As you can see, we're making lower highs right here, and we are in a downtrend for Dow. All right. Next, I want to cover Qualcomm. And Qualcomm trading in a box here, and this is a really easy play. No bias. I don't care whether it's going to be up or down, because this is a really nice box. Both sides. We've got a touch up here, about 53.30, and then this low down here at about $50. So break of 50, and we're going to head low. A break of 53.30, and we're going to head higher. And it's going to be a pretty big move because trading sideways, building up energy, and a break in either direction, and it will send it to a pretty big move. On the lower end, we should tag about 46. That's a level of support I'm seeing, and that'll be a good move if you end up catching it. All right, guys, thank you for stopping by. Again, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page and enter in your name and email address. No payment information is required at all. It's absolutely free with no obligation to sign up at all. And it's free 100% for 7 days. And you're going to get to take advantage of all the member-only features like the live market broadcast, daily member videos and watch lists to help you prepare for the market day ahead, as well as the profitable trade alerts, which allow you the opportunity to profit while you learn. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you take advantage of it. All right, we'll see you over there.